I thought it's not important. The steps aren't important. Is the thought process of the steps. And so, what if I go to Claude because Claude keep track of all the history of everything I've ever said in the conversation. So, what if we go to our projects and we assess a history? I could build a skill that assesses the history of the conversations that I'm having and then have it run an analysis. Hey, when I'm thinking about something new, a new feature or something, what, not necessarily what questions do I ask, but can you just run an analysis? Can you determine stages that I go through in the questioning? Can you determine when do I think I should be critical of different things in the questioning, right? And now I have like this analysis of how I think when I go about executing things. And then I can take that analysis as a skill and I can go, you can be more deterministic about this thing. And so I can have an agent equipped with that skill. And I can say, hey, you as an agent are now in charge of going to do this new thing. So now when I want to say talk to an agent, I would talk to this thing that understands how I structure conversation, how I structure conversation around building new features, how I structure around conversation building out applications. It understands how I think specifically. I've already been working on, for the last year, making sure it understands how I code. But now I'm trying to figure out, well, if it understands how I think about coding, it can execute on code even better. What it still can't do is determine whether or not it's going in the right direction. So it can do things at a level that I can't, but it can go off in the wrong direction very quickly. How do we get it going super fast and staying grounded? So how do we go fast and keep it grounded?